I'm not even joking you. Maybe like once a month, I would tell my friends, I'm gonna quit law school. I can't do this. But you know what? If anyone's doubting themselves, you can do it. Hi, I'm Stephanie Trabanino. I'm an attorney at the Schweitzer Law Partners, where we practice family law in Pasadena, California. I don't recall like an exact moment, but I just remember always thinking like, I want to be an attorney or like an elected official. Like I always wanted to be like mayor of LA. And I noticed that a lot of elected officials were also lawyers prior to that. So that kind of like guided me. I went to undergraduate school at UCLA. And then upon graduating, I took like the LSAT and the MBE. So I didn't know if I wanted to do law school or graduate school. Like I wanted to keep my options open. And I ended up doing graduate school. I went to UCLA's Luskin School of Public Affairs. And then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go to law school. And then I went to law school for 3 years. So I'm a little older than the people I work with, but I needed like a little bit of work experience before getting into this to kind of set me up for the real world. There's something like common sense that you learn working in an office and with other people and, you know, the political environment within the office. So I needed a little bit more time to like be ready to be, you know, a ready professional. I will say with confidence that law school was the hardest thing I've ever had to do. You're basically learning a new method of learning. Like it's basically everything you know, throw it out the window, you're gonna learn a whole new brand new set of things. I think once you get a hold of that learning curve and you surround yourself with like a support system, it's definitely doable. But I had people in my class that were in their 50s or 60s that had whole other careers and were like, I'm gonna become a lawyer now. I think what's really important is location. If you know you want to practice in LA, go to a school in LA. Because if you're trying to get a job, more than likely your professors are connected to people that work in LA. If you want to study like a really niche area of law, for example, copyright law, pick a school that offers classes in copyright law. Personally, go with the school that's going to offer you the most financial aid. That's going to give you the biggest scholarship. Because trust me, if you're comparing two schools that are maybe 10 rankings apart, but one of them's offering you a full ride, take that full ride. When you're studying for the bar, your life's gonna shut down for 3 months. Just know what you're getting yourself into. Ask for tips, networking, connecting to see if maybe when you graduate, someone can help you out. In law school, definitely try clerking at different areas of law to figure out what you want to get into. After my assisting in my first restraining order hearing, I felt like, okay, I can really help people in this field, like directly help people. And that's my overall like goal, right? Is to actually help people. So I think that's when it like solidified for me, I want to do this. When I was younger, I would always tell people I want to be mayor of LA and they would just kind of laugh at me. But maybe one day, we'll see.